same way each time. Now, just to be clear, that doesn't mean that you can't have a survey in two different formats. Like, you can't have a survey that's available both on the web and in paper so that people are able to take it in whatever format they're more comfortable with. But what it does mean is that the survey should try to be presented exactly the same way each time, and you want to make sure that each question and answer set is the same so that no matter how your participants take it, they're seeing the same thing, that it's consistent each time. And this actually makes the survey a quantitative tool as opposed to a qualitative tool, because by having the exact same questions and by having a close-ended set of answers so that people are only able to choose from a given set, then you're actually able to turn these into numerical values and analyze them that way, which makes for a more efficient analysis in the end. So you want to remember that, that those are sort of the characteristics of what a survey is. In terms of designing a survey, there are essentially 4 rules that you want to follow and then 3 steps that you're going to engage in. So the 4 rules are to be clear, be concise, be objective, and be specific. And some of that gets back to this idea of really knowing what it is you want to get out of your survey to begin with. Because the more clear and focused goal you have for yourself, then the more that you can design every step of the survey, every question, every set of answer choices to really point to that particular question. And then in terms of being clear and concise and specific, that also has to do with making sure that you've got a survey instrument that is going to be reliable and valid, because it's going to be clear to your users. They're going to understand the questions, they're going to understand what you're asking, and they're going to be able to answer them sort of objectively and reliably. So those are the reasons why